Guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetReviews.com, and today we are going to do a quick hands-on comparison of the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 8-inch model and the Samsung Galaxy Note 8.0. And we have these two tablets from Samsung. Again, this one is higher in terms of the price as compared to this one. This one has been launched at a price of 25,725 for the Wi-Fi and 3G version, whereas for the only Wi-Fi version you can pay a price of 21,945 as the MRP is concerned. Now, if we take a look over these devices, both of them has 8-inch of display. You have a thin bezel over here on the Tab 3 8-inch model, whereas on Note 8.0 you have a slightly thick bezel, which again this one again looks much more premium and quite portable to carry in one hand as compared to this one, which seems to be slightly bigger. If we actually compare the size of these two devices, this is how we can compare the size. So the Note 8.0 is slightly bigger in terms of the width. So in terms of the height, they are almost the same in terms of the height if we compare edge to edge, but in terms of the width, the 8.0 model is definitely wider in terms of the width. Now, if we talk about the camera, we have 5 megapixel camera on both of these devices, and again these camera does have autofocus support, and they can also record high definition video at 720p at 30 frames per second for both of these devices. As far as the connectivity is concerned, you have 3G connectivity on both of these devices. As you can see, you also have support for micro SD memory card slot, so you can use a micro SD memory card on both of these devices up to 64 GB. When it comes to the storage option, you get the 16 GB version of this one, you also get a 16 GB version of this one, and around 10 GB is user available on these devices once you buy them. Now, if we take a look over these devices from the front side, these devices look fairly the same in terms of the look and feel, although we see a kind of a design which is inspired on this device from the old Samsung Galaxy phones, including the Samsung Galaxy S3, whereas this one is inspired from the latest design which we see on Samsung Galaxy S4, in which we have thin bezel. So this one also has thin bezel as you can see over here. As far as the material which has been used to make these devices, you have polycarbonate plastic which has been used at the back side over here, and again you do see a kind of a texture over here on the polycarbonate plastic, and we also have a texture over here on the polycarbonate plastic back cover. So, and again the back cover is non-removable on both of these devices, so you cannot remove the back cover. In terms of the battery, they are also different. The major difference over here is that this one has an S Pen which comes, so the Note 8 has S Pen which comes with the device, whereas you do not get the S Pen with the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 8-inch model. This device is also available in the 7-inch model. Some differences in the hardware and other specifications. You get a S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8.0, whereas you do not get the S Pen on this device. Still, you can actually edit the screenshot and annotate using your finger, but all the features which are related to the S Pen, they will not be supported over here on this device. Look over the front on the top, you have the nice metallic earpiece on both of these ones. You have the proximity sensor and the ambient light sensor on both of these devices. So if you take a look over the devices, both of these devices have the 3G calling facility. So you have a nice metal earpiece on both of these devices. You have the proximity sensor, as you can see, and the ambient light sensor. And you have a front camera over here which is a 1.3 megapixel camera, and we are not sure about this camera as of now. You have the physical home button on both of these devices, although you have a slightly wider home button over here, whereas you have a thinner home button over here. You have the back key, the properties key, the back key properties key on both of these ones. You have loudspeaker on both of these devices, as you can see, and the overall design, especially at the edge, is almost the same. You have the primary mic over here for voice calling, and on this device you have a primary mic over here for voice calling. When it comes to the secondary mic, these devices does have a secondary mic as well for noise cancellation. Secondary mic is over here on both of these devices, as you can see over here. As far as the buttons are concerned, you have a metallic buttons on both of these phones, as you can see. Similarity in between these two devices is that both of these devices have the IR blaster, so you can use both of these tablets as a TV remote. So that's all from us as far as the quick hands-on comparison of the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 8-inch model and the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Do let us know if you have any specific question for these two devices. These two devices differ in terms of the hardware, they differ in terms of the price which you have to pay for them, and there is a slight difference in terms of the overall features which you get on the software level as well. So that's all from us. Thanks for watching this video. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. We are also coming up with a detailed comparison of these two devices which will cover everything in detail. That's all from us as of now. You can leave any questions which you have in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.